Hi guys, samahan nyo ako. Tikman natin ang mga barbecue dito sa Phuket, Thailand. Siyempre, simulan natin with crocodile. Try din natin itong pork chop. And itong puso ng manok. Okay. Try din natin yung barbecue ng puso ng manok. Pero ito talaga yung crocodile yung dinayo ko kasi is 100 grams niya. Meron yata 40 grams of protein. So, mataas ang grams ng protein ng crocodile. And isang ribs. Pork ribs. Ayan. Suwabing suwabe. And paluto na natin. Yan. So guys, mura lang siya. 50 baht lang yan. Yung pork ribs is 100 baht. Like 10 dirhams. And then 2 dirham para sa kanin. And then of course, di mawawala yan. Di mawawala yung creep and buko juice. BJ. Buko shake. Yan. My favorite of all. Hello guys, tikman natin itong crocodile meat ng Phuket, Thailand. Tikman natin yung lasa niya. Here we go. First bite. Honestly guys, it tastes like chicken. I don't know if it is a crocodile or what. They make crocodile on it, but it same like chicken. Pero meron siyang mga tendon na nakakagat, which is nakikita ko lang yun sa part ng leg part ng chicken. Pero hindi. And then yeah, it tastes like chicken. Nothing special. Masarap. Maganda yung pagkakamarinate. Ito, next naman natin yung puso ng manok binarbecue. Yeah, that's it. That's the best. That's the best. You need to try it, guys. Masarap siya. Masarap. It's 50 baht lang yan. It's like 5 dirhams. Or 50 peso. Sausaw mo lang siya sa suka or may special sauce silang binigay. And it's delicious. Very nutritious food. And also, let's try this rib. Oops! Puro buto. Kailangan tanggalin. Kailangan i-debone. Pero masarap ngat-ngatin. Masarap siya sa beer. Pulutan. At overall, it's amazing. It's a nice go-to food. Protein. If you're looking for protein, go to this wet market.